Hi, welcome to my cute toons with chalk. Today we're going to draw a cute lion. So follow along with me. So we're going to color it in as well. So first we're going to take our trusty marker and we're going to draw the lion. The first thing we're going to do, as usual, we're going to start with the eyes. So you're going to draw two big round eyes. One eye here and just a little bit farther apart, another eye as well. There we go, there's two eyes. Great. And let's complete the eye. Just make a little line underneath and let's make another line there as well. And don't forget the light reflections. So there's one and there's the other one. Good. Let's do the other light reflection. There's one and one below. And now we can color in our eye. Be careful not to go over the lines, stay within the lines. Perfect. Here we go. Good. There we go. One eye is finished. Let's do the other one as well. So yeah, stay within the lines. Almost done. And there we go. There's our little eye. You see I have a little bit of mark there. Let me just repair that. Perfect. Next, we're going to draw the nose. So you're going to just draw a smile. It's going to look like a smile. And then you're going to draw a beautiful little nose like that. You see, that's a cat's nose. And then from here, you're going to draw a cute little smile like that. And we're going to take it all a little bit back. And a little bit back. There we go. And then an open mouth. And you can draw a little tongue there as well. Perfect. And now, from here, I want you to draw the beard of our little lion. So there we go. There's a beard. Perfect. That's absolutely great. And now we need eyebrows. So there's one eyebrow and there's the other one. It's a friendly little lion that we have here. And now for the ears. Right there. You're going to draw a round ear. And on this side you're going to do the same thing. An ear. Perfect. And we're going to draw some hair in the ear. Like this. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. Perfect. That's absolutely perfect. And now we're going to draw the hair again. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw the side of the head, and you're going to just make a little line like this from the ear. Okay, so you're going to go there like so, and there's the hair of our little lion. And now we need a chest area. So the first thing I want to do, I want to draw just a line here just to indicate where the legs will begin. Good, are you with me? Perfect. And then from here we're going to draw just the chest area like this. There we go. Perfect. And then from here we're actually going to draw the top of the head. So I want you to just draw a little mark like that, a little line. There's the top of the head, and we're going to do the same thing on this side as well. Good. And then we're just going to continue with it down like this, and you're going to connect it. From here we're going to do exactly the same thing, and you're going to connect it as well. Perfect. And now we just draw a little bit of hair in front as well, and you're going to connect it with the hair on the ear. There we go. There's the face of our little lion. And then the ear, there's one, and there. And then we complete the ear. Perfect. Next up, we're going to draw the shoulders. So you're going to start up here, and you're just going to draw a little line out, and a little line out as well. And that would be the shoulders for our little lion. It's going to be a very strong lion. Okay, good. And we're just going to draw a line down. And you're going to just make a mark like this. And then from this side, you're going to do the same thing. And you're going to draw a line down. And you're going to draw the little paw of our lion. Good. And we're just going to draw a line like so. And a line like this. See, very, very easy. Very easy. Good. And then for the body of our little lion. And you're going to just draw a little line down and another line down like there. Perfect. And now for the feet. So what I want you to do is just draw a straight line there. And on this side, draw another straight line there as well. And we're going to draw the toe. And you're going to draw a smaller toe and a smaller toe. And on this side, the same thing. A big toe, a smaller toe, and a smaller toe. Great. And let's continue. Make it a bit longer and a bit longer. And then from here, we're going to actually draw the legs. There we go. And then from here, we're actually going to just draw a few lines like this. There we go. And there's the legs of our little lion. Perfect. And now we must not forget the grass, because our little lion is going to stand on grass here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There's our lion. And a tail. Let's not forget the tail. Let's see the tail go down. And it's just going to curl up a bit like this. Here we go. A tail in the grass. And a tuft of hair on the point of the tail. And there's our little lion. That's perfect. And now what we can do, we can start coloring it in. So let's begin. Good, and that's our little lion. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.